Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll go through some selection and navigation tips in Excel. If you have a block of data that is cut between empty rows and empty columns, and you want to select just a block of data, you can stay in the middle and press Ctrl A. So this selects, or you can also use Ctrl Shift asterisk. I'll say you want to add this block without losing this selection. To do this, you can hold down Ctrl, select the beginning, and then hold down Shift and select the end. You get the two selected. If you want to switch pages, you can use the page up and page down. Now you'd observe that the current page you are looking at starts at row 1 and ends at row 17. I want to see the next 17 rows. So to switch page, you just press page up and down. In some keyboards, you have to add the function key. So page down switches to the next 17 rows, 18 to 34. If I want to go back up, function page up or page up alone brings me to where I started from. Now, if you highlight a block of data, that takes you across pages. So at this point, I'm at the bottom of my selection and I'm not seeing the first page. To go back up without losing the selection, you can press Ctrl Backspace. So Ctrl Backspace will reset the page and keep your selection intact. So please go through these tips and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.